Hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com, and we have just completed over 65 plus videos on the Pfaff Creative 1.5 sewing machine and embroidery machine. And I just wanted to highlight a few of my favorite features of this machine. So if you're considering purchasing it, you can see some of my favorites. So yes, there's a lot that is built into this machine, but there are some physical things that this machine comes with. So first off, this is a huge space. I know you don't always get to see it, but there is 8 inches between the needle and the inside of the machine. So in the embroidery world, that does mean that you get a hoop size that's 6 inches wide by almost 10 inches long. So we were just finishing up with some of our applique and our designs and the fun fonts that come with this machine. But yes, we have lots of fun embroidery options. But what about the sewing things? We just did over 50 videos on all the sewing things. One of the things I was noticing is while it was embroidering and sewing is how fast it was and how quiet it was. And that was a little treat because sometimes when you get into some of the less expensive machines, they kind of sound a little echoey. And with this Pfaff machine, it is smooth. I think there's something about just the way the machine is designed, and it kind of dampens some of the running noise that a lot of sewing machines have. Plus, it is a Pfaff sewing machine, which means that there is the IDT built in. That's like a built-in walking foot for when we're sewing, obviously not when we're embroidering, but when we are sewing, voila, it's there. It evenly pulls your fabric through, whether you got batting or really stretchy fleece that sometimes comes out wavy, no problem whatsoever on the Pfaff Creative 1.5 machine. There's over 150 decorative stitches. There's alphabets you can sew, not just embroider. And you really have unlimited amount of embroidery fonts. That's with the Quick Font program. There is actually a free software program that you download from Pfaff's website that you have an access code that comes with this machine that allows you to be able to combine designs, create lettering, add more fonts to this machine. So truly makes it unlimited what you can do. So those are just a few of the things that I've noticed just while sewing on it over the hours of all this filming. So I do hope you enjoy your new machine if you've purchased it, or possibly your future machine if this is a machine that fits your needs. Don't forget, we have links below all of our YouTube videos to help you find great online courses and some of our favorite Craftsy classes and some of my own personal online courses to help you master your embroidery machine even more. So hop over to your local Pfaff store and check it out for yourself, the Pfaff Creative 1.5 Sewing and Embroidery Machine.